Are you tired of having corrosion on your battery terminals? You have terminals that are all messed up that you have to have adjustable pliers to hold the wires in place, and gator clips to hold the wires in place because the terminals are so old that they crusted and broke apart, and you get a lot of corrosion. Well, I have a solution for the corrosion problem. Maybe. I really don't know, but we'll see. Get some battery corrosion prevention, oil-based. And I'm going to read this before I spray it. It says, do not puncture, incinerate, or expose to excessive heat. Keep away from sparks, open flames, combustible materials, and hot surfaces. No smoking. Avoid direct sunlight. Storing above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius. Avoid direct contact with battery terminals. Do not discard empty can into garbage compactor. Keep away from children and pets. Intentional misuse, i.e. inhaling, may be harmful or fatal. Prolonged overexposure may cause permanent brain and nervous system damage. Keep area well ventilated. Leave area immediately if experiencing eye-watering, headache, or dizziness. First aid. Eye contact. Flush thoroughly with water to 15 minutes and get medical attention. Skin contact. Wash thoroughly with soap and water. Respiratory difficulty. Seek fresh air and get medical attention. For hazardous materials incident, call blah 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 blah. Alright, now that we are familiar with our spray, let's shake it. Spray. Ugh. It smells like a PB blaster if you're familiar with it. Ooh, it's got like a paint slash PB blaster. So don't be smelling that stuff because you'll give yourself nervous system damage. So I'm gonna spray a little bit more. Oh yeah. Alright, let's let that air out a little bit. Alright. Hope that was a great video for you. Have a great and wonderful day.